Hello, my dear little stars. Hope you all have enjoyed your festivals very well with full fun. Okay, so you enjoyed Eid, you enjoyed Krishna Janmashtami, you enjoyed the National Festival, Independence Day, and done some activities also with the help of your parents, right? Done it? So, having fun and enjoyment and festival celebration, along with that we have to study also, right? So just here you can see on the soft board here, on this whiteboard, sorry, you can see here sound of U, vowel U. We will study words with the sound vowel U. And this one is the picture of which picture? Picture of mug. It's not looking very clear. I'll just show you. And the spelling written M-U-G. Which vowel we have used? U. This one is your mug. So you all are having mug at your home with the different cartoons, different pictures on that. On that, what do you do with the mug? We take milk with a full mug. Once in the morning and once in the evening. We must take milk twice in a day, so it keeps our body more fit, more energetic. Alright? So, next picture you see here, there is an insect. Spelling of that B-U-G, bug. Many places you have seen this bug. Right? So this one is the insect bug. Here sound U we have used in this spelling. When we put U here between M and G, it will become mug. When we put U here between B and U, it will become bug. Alright? Here you can see words with the picture in your book also. Alright? Now see the picture and tell me the word with the sound U. Here we see this in daytime, and this is what? Very hot and bright. It makes the day very bright. This is what? Sun. Spelling of sun? S-U-N. Sun. So U sound O. Okay? Sun. So this one is what? Vowel U. Word with the sound vowel U. Alright? Now, here next picture, that one, there is a boy having fun. When you have fun, when you play indoor game or outdoor game, that time you feel what? Very much fun. So this one is playing with the toy. That one is what? When you play, that time feel very much fun. You laugh, you enjoy, run, jump. So this one is what? Fun. That time you don't cry. No. F-U-N, fun. Spelling of fun. F-U-N, fun. Which vowel we have used here? U. This boy is having fun. You also have fun. Okay? Next, I'll show you picture of a gun. This is your toy gun. And the gun is having our soldiers also. They are having gun. They used to keep that safety of us. That policeman also, they have gun. And this is your toy gun. You play with that? You love playing with the gun? Yes? Yes. Spelling of gun? G-U-N. So which vowel? U. So F-U-N, fun, which vowel? U. So when we just put U there, it will become gun. G-U-N, it will become F-U-N, fun. New words with vowel U. So this way, with the vowel sound, that you are learning new words, improving your vocabulary. So for that, you must know how to speak and how to write also. Just to speak, you must know the pronunciation, and just to write, you must know the spelling. So GUN को gun ही, we can say gun. GUN gun, gun ऐसे कर कहना से ना. FUN fun, it's not fun. So proper pronunciation of the word and the spelling must know. For that you have to see the video many times. You love to see. Just tell your parents that they will open and you can see. Can easily learn. Okay. Learn with fun. Okay. Now this shape of that thing is called what? A beautiful flower. Jug. This long shape. This thing is called jug. A big size. Spelling of jug. J U G. Sound of which vowel? U. Just to complete the spelling of jug, what we have used? J U G. Jug. J sound J. U sound O. G. Go. Jug. Having this jugs at your homes, colorful, right? Mama put water there. On your dining table, you just pour in your glass and drink, you know. Now, this one is a glass and this one is full of milk, full. So this one is called FULL, full. Why it's full? That this one is not, this glass is not half, it's not empty, it's a full. Full of milk, full of water, you can say, na? Full of the juices. So this glass, basically we use the glass to take milk and just to take water. This glass is full. Alright, spelling of full, FULL, full. And now you can see this picture here. A boy is just pulling something. Here, this is a branch of tree and this boy is pulling. Pulling. See like this. How do we just pull the things? Here you see. There is a string. We are pulling. We are pulling. We are pulling the string. Pulling. So we pull. Just to open the door, we just pull the door. Yes, we pull the door. So that action is called pulling. Okay. Spelling of pull. PULL. What is common? U and sound of U. Full, pull. Double L. Here, FULL. New word, full. PULL. New word, full. What we have used? U. Vowel U. Now, just to write spelling of your uniform, we will write on this board. These days, missing your uniform, it's safely kept in the boxes, in that cupboards. Mama has kept. So this time you're missing, just to want to wear your uniform. Maybe very soon you can wear your uniform. I too want to see you in your uniform. But when the situation becomes good, only that time, bearable. Okay. So spelling of uniform also start with the vowel U. U and I. Uni. FORM. Form. Uniform. Which vowel we have used? Uniform. So this is your uniform you love to wear. Missing these days your uniform. This is your tie, your half pant. Somewhere we use that skirts, girls, they wear. So uniform, right? Very soon you can wear. Just pray from God. Very soon you can wear the uniform. Why it's called uniform? Uniform. You wear, students wear uniform. Our soldiers wear uniform. Policemen, they wear uniform. Nurses wear uniform. It means that way you all students look equal, and the different category, they are the students, they are the soldiers. We can identify they are the soldiers, they are the students, they are the policemen. Okay, so that's why we are uniform. Now, spelling of utensils. It starts with the vowel U. U-T-E-N, utensil. S-I-L, sil is what? When we see that a day, 3-4 dishes, plates, glasses, spoons, cooker, bowls, all kept together. So when all things are together, then that time we just call these things what? Utensils. It's not separately. Dishes are there, mugs are there, cups are there, glasses, cooker, bowls, spoon. No, we just say one word, utensils. So these are utensils. When you go to the kitchen, see that these things together kept in a rack. What do you say? Utensils are there. It's not mug there, dish there, plate there. These are what? Utensils there. You can say these are utensils. Alright. Which new word you learn? Utensils. Uniform. Got it? So along with that, you have to learn the spellings also. When we speak, we must know the correct pronunciation of the word. We cannot say that uniform, yeah, utensil. It's a utensil. It's a uniform. So this similarly, we must know the spelling of the words also. That's why we'll be able to write. Okay. Now, you are and her. This is what we have seen there. This kind of one, just to somewhere it's for decoration, and somewhere people they keep that things also there. You just see this picture. It's called this one. Okay. Now, here on this page number 15, each row having some words. First 3 row, 1, 2, 3 row, having the words with the ending sound rhyming, like sun, run, fun, gun, un. Lasting that sound, ending sound, un. Jug, bug, mug, dug, ending sound, ug, 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 ug. But bull, pull, pull. And the last line, different sound, some different words on utensil, uniform. Okay. So here, open page number 16 and see this board. Just to make word with the sound U, write some letters, right? B, a dash, and N. So here you put U. It will become bun. Love eating bun. Bun with butter. Love eating. Now, G, dash, and N is what? Gun. I've shown you gun. Our soldiers keep gun for safety for us. Okay. You are having toy gun. So in the first block, many words. 1, 2, 3, 4 words are there. Where what is common? UN and first letter change, and it became a new word. Bun with B, fun with F, gun